What's up, guys? It's Bye Bye here, and today I want to share with you guys my Gamestonk saga. Uh, I took some big losses. I learned, and I am here to share with you guys. So if you run into the similar things in the future, you might not make the same mistakes that I made. Uh, Even though in one of my live stream I have told people to not invest in GameStop because I knew it was very risky to do so. However, some of you might know that I have a big gambling addictions. I like to take bets on things that are risky and uncertain. So I ignore my own advice and I invested quite a lot of money in GameStop stock. I thought I could make some quick money, but I was wrong. Uh, I've also mentioned before that I've lost quite a lot of money before as well when I first invested in crypto, like around $300,000. I learned my lessons there, and I was hoping to take what I've learned to help me gain some money doing the GameStop saga. So, like back then when I invested in crypto 4 years ago, like I went in when it was like all-time high. I think I went in when Bitcoin was about like 20. I think it was all-time high was about like 20,000 or $22,000. Man, and it's the moment I went in, the bubble burst and everything went down. So it was a very bad idea for me back then when I was just first like starting to get into investing. Uh, like I didn't know what to do when the price started dropping. And I lost so much money back then. So this time, I didn't invest in GameStop when it was all time high. So let's show you guys the graph for now. One, this one here. So this one is the market graph, like the stock price for GameStop. So like I didn't go in when GameStop was at $400. I didn't go in when it was 249, 328. Like I didn't go in. So like I spent quite a lot of time like watching the market pattern here to make sure that I know exactly what I am getting myself into. So before when I invested in crypto, I went in when it was all time high and it just went down. But this time, I learned my previous lesson. I knew that the price gonna go down, but I know every time the price go down, it's gonna go back up for a little bit. So I've been watching the pattern here, so you can see it went down, it went up, it went down, it went up, and down, up a little bit, up, down. So this time, uh, I decided to wait for a dip so that I can jump in, buy some stocks, and resell them when the price jump back up for some quick monies. So the first day I invested into AMC. I didn't invest into GameStop because I know it was very risky because the price was super high. So I actually do some investing in AMC on the first day. I bought a dip on AMC and I resell some stock and I make about like $8,000 there. And I thought, oh, it's easy money. So maybe I can take a bigger risk. So let's say I don't want to invest in AMC anymore. Let me try to buy a dip when GameStop stock dropped. So I waited. So I waited here. It went down here. I didn't buy. It up here. It went down to 13. I didn't buy. It went up to 273. It's go down here on February 2nd when the price suddenly dropped to 130 something. I like, okay, this is the right time. Let's go all in. Let's go all in on this stock and let's make some quick money. The moment the stock price went back up, I'm gonna sell the stocks and I'm gonna try to make some money. But I bought a lot of GameStop stocks at $135, and 3 minutes after that, the price started to drop down even more. It went down to I think $70 or something. I'm like, oh my god, I made the wrong move. Like if I could just buy the stock, I think like 5 or 10 minutes after, I could have made a lot of money by now. So it only like a 10 minutes decision right there. Like if I would just like wait for an actual 10 minutes, then I wouldn't be here telling you guys my mistake. But instead of I would be here telling you guys about my success. But because I picked the wrong dips, I I picked the wrong dips at $135, and because it dropped down to even lower to $74, which is like 50%. I thought, oh my god, I hope it's going back up again. So I was hoping, and it actually went up beyond my initial cost that I paid for the stock. I like, okay, maybe it's gonna go back up even higher, but it went down. It went all down from there. It went all down from there, and I was just waiting. I was just waiting for it to like recover, but it did not recover. I think I think it was hoping for some things that I know it wouldn't happen. Like I look at the market, I know it wouldn't go back to the price wouldn't go back to where I bought the stock. But like some part in me is still hoping, and then like I was also a part of the Wall Street Bet Reddit community as well. And like, okay, maybe let's hold down a little bit with these guys here. I don't know. Like I like the idea of like taking down the hedge funds. So I was like, okay, maybe let's just stick around a little bit. So I stick around today. Like so today I was like, okay, let wait. If the price gonna drop another 10% today, I'm gonna sell everything. And I'm just gonna take a loss. But today the price dropped 42%. So it dropped a lot more today, which is a lot more than what I expected. So I took a huge losses today. I think I sold the stock at around $65, which is about half of what I paid for. And I took a big losses. I took a huge losses. In case you guys want to see my losses. Um, so I lost about 24,000 USD for this adventure. I would say. Uh, so like I would say I learned quite a lot of things from this, to be honest. Even though like I think the price I had to pay is pretty high. Um, like like I thought, like from all the media, like, sometimes like reading the information from media can actually influence your ability to make the wise decision there. And I think I was influenced. Like I should have sell my stocks much earlier. I think I should have do a lot more research when the price keep going down. And I would say, like, to be honest, like I feel like just like it's very difficult. It's very difficult for retail investor to be able to beat the hedge funds, because they just have so much more monies, connection, power. Um, and they also like organize as well. Um, like from this, I just feel like I can feel like the moment the price keep going down, it like the communities that we had, the whole idea of like let's take down the hedge funds together. People just um people just like take their gain, their profit, and just leave. It just like everyone for himself, pretty much. I mean, like, it's understandable. I think I would too naive. I think I am still too naive to think that something could happen out of this. I think like I think some hedge funds they lost money, but I think a lot of hedge funds they made the money as well. So like back in the day when I invested in crypto, it like pump and dump. So people try to pump the price up and then dump and pump and dump. But this time it's a little bit different. So this time we actually try to go against like some of the hedge funds, and like I think it's a different story. So it's not like a dump and a pump and dump situation here. This time like the hedge fund they try to like put the price all the way down, and I think that is where I lost my money. I didn't consider that ability. I went into the thing with the mindset of that it's gonna be like a bum and dumb kind of things, but it was not it. Um, it was completely different from what I experienced 3 years ago, 4 years ago with crypto. So I took I took a $23,000 losses for it lesson. I don't know. Like if something like it happen again, I don't know if I'm gonna get myself into this kind of like gambling again. But I did took my chances. I took my chances with the investment, and I lost. So I'm just here to tell to share with you guys my own experience. Like I was there for you guys to tell you guys that do not invest into the stock because it was risky. But like nobody was there for me to tell me, hey, do not invest in the stock. To be honest, like if someone had tried to talk me out of this from the beginning, maybe I wouldn't try to invest my money in it. I don't know. So like I just feel like I wanted to share my experience with you guys, like someone from the inside, someone who actually invested in the stock, and someone who actually lose some money in here, and the lessons that I have learned. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys find these videos somewhat like useful, helpful for you guys somehow in your future. If you guys decide to investing into some kind of a stock or like crypto right now as well, I think crypto is kind of in a bubble right now as well. I would refrain from investing in it. But I am no financial advisor, so do not take my advice. Do your own research, I would say. Thanks for watching, guys.